Hi. In this video, we are going to see the production job creation. We are in the Manufacturing tab. First, go to Job Shop, then click on Create Production Job. Here, the yellow highlighted fields are mandatory. First, select the product for which you want to create the production job. Next, enter the quantity of the product that will be produced from this job. Then select the warehouse from the drop-down. You can select the job start date, otherwise, the system will take the job creation date and time by default. After that, enter the production job name. If a routing is specified, you can select the routing using the lookup option. Otherwise, system select default routing. Here you can add the description also. You can also enter a job ID manually, otherwise, the system will generate a unique job ID automatically. After entering all the required details, click on the Submit button. You will see a confirmation pop-up. Click OK to proceed. Your production job is now created successfully with a unique job ID and created status. Thank you.